And now for the garnishing of our okonomiyaki. Squeeze on the Kewpie mayonnaise in zigzaggy stripes, and then get out your tonkatsu sauce. We've got the homemade stuff. If you had the bottle of squeezy tonkatsu, you drizzle like this, perpendicular to the mayonnaise. But we are spooning ours on, which is a little bit less attractive, but don't worry, it's going to be covered in other things. So this is the homemade tonkatsu. It's got a lot less nasties in it than the bottle does. Now we are going to grab the spring onion greens. So the whites went into the actual mix, and here are the spring onions to go on the top, nice and pretty and green. And then we need our bonito flakes. So these are the beautiful fishy tasting flakes that dance and swirl on the top of your hot okonomiyaki and make it very authentic and delicious. Dana! There is your dinner. Itadakimasu. Enjoy.